Okay, good morning everyone. Today we are fishing the Ontario Bassmaster kayak tournament. Still Perry Sound area. Forgot the lake's name. I'll put it in the description. Anyway, it's about 40 anglers, not a big field. Gonna be a bit of a windy day, overcast, but should be another nice day. Don't expect the same amount of rain as yesterday, which was like torrential, but come along and let's see what we can do. Dropping off a start. Came back for it. Oh shit. Card would have been almost good if I can just keep them pinned. Another 13.5. Getting there. I can just keep them pinned. Hope to avoid you guys, but I guess at some point you guys are gonna come to play. That's exciting. That was exciting. Okay, that feels good. Please don't be a pike. Please be a bass. Yes. better bass. That's a better bass. Finally a better bass. We'll do a quick photo and then we go. 17.5, that's what we wanted. That's a nice bass. Another good one. Another good one. He inhaled. Look at that. He inhaled a chatterbait. Inhaled it. Cod is full. Cod is full. Nice 17-incher. There we go. Oh man, I just caught a 15 and a quarter. That's like right on top of the other one. I thought my cameras were on, but I never switched my cameras on after my last catch, which is a pity, but they are definitely against the shoreline here where the wind comes in. Chocolate milk, so I just running a chatterbait and they just annihilating it. So, oh, pity. A good catch. No one saw it. Yeah, they are there. They are definitely there. That's not the size I want. Not big enough. Maybe another bite. 13.5. Please don't be a fight. Don't mess this up, Chris. Let's hope this is a little bit of an upgrade. I don't think so. I think it's the same. I'm not sure this is an upgrade. I'm not sure, but photo we shall take. 14.5, I need bigger. Yes. 15.75, it helps. Thank you, fishy. Okay, almost 12 o'clock. Kind of a midday update. Caught them really good this morning. Decided to come and I was aiming for this back lake of a river, but you know what, that age old saying of don't leave fish to go find fish, well, that's kind of what happened here. I'm gonna go back to the main lake, try and duplicate the areas that I found the fish on. Hopefully I can find another couple. I just need to upgrade a 15.5 or 14.5. But you know what? At least I caught some fish so far, which is great. So let's see what we can do the rest of the day. Stop jumping. Freaking smallmouth. Yeah. Freaking smallmouth. Of all things. I thought, like, why is this largemouth jumping so much? But it's a smallmouth. A 17 largemouth, little thin one, but hey man, he's long and he helps. So thank you for that, but go eat up. You need to eat up. Help. Bigger than I need a 16-incher. I need a 16-incher. Are you a 16-incher? I don't think you're a 16-incher. No, 14-incher, not big enough. Damn it, man. You need big ones.